Hello guys, welcome back and we're playing Dead Rails.
Ay, may ka na pala baril.
Oo.
Hindi na ako ng sword. Hindi na ako ng sword. Go. Go. Tiki. Bro, drop me some $10 and I'll buy it.
How?
Bye. Press mo yung inventory mo tsaka press mo drop $10. Oh.
Yippee! I got a light. May ilaw na ako. I can flash you. Yeah!
Go. Ay, meron ko palang kabayo.
Tirik. Aga,
What do you wanna name it, bro? What do you wanna name him, bro?
Jeffrey Epstein. The
Ano gusto mo pangalan?
Trevor Scott. Wait, I can add him to my sack. I know.
Hey, good job.
Nasaan na si bro? Wait lang. Ang low ng graphics ko. Man. Okay.
Sabay ako, guys.
Autistic. Wait lang. Hindi ko nakikita yung bahay. Parang wala.
Good.
Ay,
Kulang.
bakal.
Kulang.
Punta lang ako sa settings. Bakit?
Yung
Aim
zombie.
and fire! Fire!
How is Boom missing every shot?
Kill a zombie! Bro's missing every shot. I helped you. Now I will shoot you. Suicide. Nerf gun.
Yeah.
Pare, nakalimutan mo yung pills mo.
Ikaw. Nakalimutan ko yung ikaw.
Oo, nakalimutan mo pills mo.
Akin. That's it. Hey, good job. Bandit.
Ha?
Bandit.
Ay, mali.
Bandit mo na game.
Ow, that was painful.
Ito na yan.
No, horsey.
Can I have your gun, sir?
Can I have your blood, sir? Can I have
Can I
your
have
blood? Can I drink your blood, sir?
Where's the ad? What's the cool tattoo?
Ay, par. Pag vampire ka, you can drink blood. Yes. What's that in the... Ano yung nasa distance? Wala, ready ko yung baril ko. It's just a log. Wait.
Where's your horse?
It's in my sack. Let's go. Ututin. Ako mauna. Let's
bahay.
go. Bahay. Pugo. Hindi ko alam yung lyrics na kayo.
Nagbalag ka.
Data lang yung ginagamit.
Ano?
Go na dyan.
Ako!
Nabot.
Hindi man akong sword.
Oo. Give me that. Give me this. Give me that. Oh.
Ipar. Ballistic
Lore. There's lore. Give me this lore.
Attention all survivors. Your day is now ours.
Maybe.
Ransom.
Baby, oh, I want you to be a bill.
Oh, do
Mag-drive ka lang, par.
Pero,
Ang pipe. But pag mayroong town, par, you forgot your pills.
para mag-stop po tayo sa bahay o sa town.
Sa town.
Pero,
Good job.
pare, look, bandit camp.
Bandit camp? Okay. Saan? Bandit camp? Saan? I can't see. Get
On your
it.
right.
Get it. I can't see.
Camp.
Saan yun? Saan yun? Saan yun? Saan yun? Saan yun?
Pare! Kalbo ka ha? Kalbo ba? Kalbo batis ka ha? Talaga naman to. Kalbo batis.
In.
The worst cowboy ever.
I am Armin Dangerous.
You are armed, pero hindi ka naman dugo. Bal, they're right there on the right.
Where? Oh,
They're downstairs. Good.
there. Oh, I got my wounds. You
Bakit mo? I'm motivating you. Work faster.
work faster. Am I your slave?
So bro, okay, you can have that money if you know the Bible.
Wala akong nakita. Must be the wind. Crossbow. Give me this.
Yung bang band-aid?
May bond aid. May bond aid naman. May bond aid. May firework.
gun.
May firework gun sa akin. Ano to? Shotgun.
Come on!
Evan sa yung shotgun shell. Wala namang magaganda dito. Pangit ang ka.
Bubusin mo ba yung mga item?
Okay, bet.
Ito ata. So, thanks po.
Hey, here's your bandit. I'm gonna put this in the collection.
Bro.
Mamirinig mo yun?
No.
Daga. Nagsusqueak. Baka pintuan lang yun. Ay ba naman eh. Atata eh. Ito yung protection natin. Dead bodies ng pinatay natin. I mean yung mga pinatay natin.
Ako rin yung protect mo. Nagpatay ako.
Maybe.
What am I supposed to do?
Maybe this time.
Able to unbuild. Don't able to unbuild things.
I need to reload.
It's a position like some material.
6-7. Alam mo na, mami. Ganyan na yung ka-friend ko. Ang galing. Dati mas malikot. Ngayon nakokontrol.
I'm able to look at your comment.
You gotta go fast. I have no money, bro.
Ooh. No money.
Jackpot. Hold up, wait. I just hit the jackpot. Faster.
Para sa paa mo.
Oh, shoot.
Or there was a gun on it.
Pare. I have no bullets.
Ano mo na?
I wait.
Kung natin source munition sa kami move gun.
But I missed my shot. Ang gara, parang special effects na yung baril ko.
Kung paano niya shoot?
A shotgun! Give me that. A ton of firework.
Dahil mo yung third ammo.
Okay. Sabi mo yan. Pag namatay ka tayo, ay mali. Pag namatay ka magsaing ka, ay mali.
I'm not gonna cook for you.
Okay, let's go. May parang nagtutwerk na zombie. Tanggalin ko na yan. Lagay ko dyan sa wall. In another life. Anong left? Ay, left nga, left.
Okay naman, there was a zombie.
Where? Ay, ito na naman yung... Ito na naman yung pangit na turret. Bakit in-update nila? Ba't hindi nila in-update yung tao dito?
Di ba yung sa graveyard? Di ko nga ako sa graveyard. Ilagay ko! Ito the graveyard, sir. Oh! Oh! Ilagay ko.
Revive dead, eh. Guys,
Oh!
namatay ka, dyan ka lang.
Eh?
I'm Doom Slayer. I'm not scared.
Oh!
I'm scared.
I'm not scared. I'm scared.
You can choose objectives now. Survive the night at $20.
Oh, yan. Bagay mo lang ito.
Sir, hindi ka pwede dyan.
Mga boy, kick up, bro.
But are you here? Are you? You're the sacrifice. Alakbar ay mali.
Wala ang dito ko. Why?
To be safe.
I'm stuck. So,
Okay.
why am I the third now? Why am I the third?
Best update ever.
Why did I become the king?
Wow, na-detailed na si Dead Rails. Kita na yung ilang bullets na na-waste mo. Yay! Maybe na. Pare, wag ka magtambay dyan.
Ikaw! Ikaw ah!
Magbili ka na, ayan. Diyan ka. Bili ka.
No?
Bili ka, par.
Oo nga.
Bili ka na ng bandage para mahilo mo yung sarili mo.
Ikaw ah! Lazy nigga. Lazy ka, lazy na ka. Lazy na ka, lazy na ka.
Excuse me. Yo, par, sa'yo na lang yung crossbow.
Pare, ano ba?
Good deal, bro. Good deal. Sa akin yung shotgun, pistol, lahat. Sa'yo lang yung crossbow.
Ano ako, primitive. Ano ako, primitive.
Ikaw ay isang sniper.
Ikaw ah. Ikaw yung call me ancient, kaya call me ancient.
Pare, punta ka dito sa...
Oo nga.
Hindi ko i-revive ikaw. Sige.
Ikaw ah, ikaw ah. Ano ba ako kasi nilagay sa general store?
Come on, Kabir. Come on, bro. You can do it. Baby steps.
Tumahimik ka na naman! Baby steps na dyan. I can't move it. Ikaw. Thank you.
Baby steps. Gamitin natin itong pang protection. Itong patay na soldier. Ay, kainis. Nasunog na lang. Eban kasi. Hey, hey, hey. Kaya par, gusto mo sa'yo na lang ito. No? Okay.
Hand it over. Hand it over.
Ayaw mo naman. Where's Ivan? Ivan, ito. Sa'yo na to.
Ano?
Shotgun bullets.
Putik ka. Akala ko shotgun bullets ng bigol.
Babarilin ko ikaw. Putok. Pinutok ko ikaw. Parang pimple.
Ikaw talaga bahong na utot. Hindi ko sa labot bahong na utot.
How to understand?
I need money.
I have money.
Stole my money.
Na bro. You cheating.
How am I cheating, bro?
Yeah. I'm gonna buy you a miner helmet because you... No. I'm gonna buy you a miner helmet and 2 coats. Saan si Ivan? Ay.
Oh. Ay, ito po din ba?
Okay. Ulala.
Ano yun?
I need this.
Come on!
Kailangan ko dalawang ito.
Fireball.
Sa lagay rin natin lantern para hindi ka par wag ka yan.
Okay. I'm not gonna play linggang guli-guli.
Pick that up.
You buy TNT? You might need a filter.
Sino nga? Sabi mo yan? There. Huwag mo i-prank ako. Ayan na naman.
Ano ang ginagawa ko?
Ang guitarist. Tama ba pagsabi ko? Guitarist naman ito si Ivan. Guitarist. Let me upgrade my...
But me objection board. Object.
Let me upgrade my
Okay.
pistol to the Navy pistol. Yeah.
Your 30 zombies only melee weapon survive the night.
Tot.
That is a video survive the night. So.
Ay, port.
Pare,
Meron kang $10. Meron kang $10. Can I have some? Yo, thanks. I'm gonna upgrade my gun to a Navy pistol.
I got 55 bullets.
Thanks, bro.
Okay, can we stay here for a moment? I have the objective called survive the night.
Okay, sabi mo yan. I have this brand new pistol.
Yeah, shotgun. Ayan, diesel shotgun.
Ito si Doomslayer.
Ikaw Random. Yung noise.
Let me check. I have a firework gun.
Oh.
I'm so scared to use it.
Werewolf.
Where? Where?
We're looking for you. Are you shooting, bro? There's people right there.
There's a black
I'm not
one.
going to.
There's a black one right here.
He's a black werewolf. This man. Where?
Saan yung werewolf na yun?
It's right behind you, bro.
There. Are you calling me a werewolf, bro? Where? Meron nun sa gilid mo.
What's your black? Why you turn black?
Ow, that's pain.
I do that olive. Gino ba?
Do I
Namatang sa lag ko.
have anything good na?
I'm just gonna sell this black werewolf.
Baka double the price yan.
Are you serious with that, brother? Go.
Yeah, bro. I'm sure. Ha?
Night time na agad.
Daytime. Car? Did you see that? Nag-nighttime sa nag-daytime sa nag-nighttime.
Oh, nakita ko. Price winning.
So, I need
Winning ba? Not going out there.
I need to get wet.
What do you mean you need to go where?
I have coal. We need our protection.
Max na yung crew natin.
Uy!
Why the zombies?
Ay, siraan na, ayan! Buhay pa to? Wala man naman lang tayong left na protection, wala na. Oopsies.
October. Mexican border. October 18. 1899.
Wait lang, I think I see that, you know, the abandoned town. Wait lang, ayun ba yun?
Sterling Town.
Ito ba yun? Putok. Putok.
Ginawa mo.
Wala lang.
Attention also remember 1 year ago Nikola Tesla unleashed from this lake on the world and now it must be an
Let me drive, bro.
Tawa. Hey, bandit.
Ayoko nga.
Ano ba niyo?
Hindi ba di?
Pag sinasigawan ako ng mama ko, ipon ng parayos sa inyo. Oh, pare. Look to your right.
I know. Nakita ko. Hey, wait, may tao?
I know good that see that until I pointed it out. Ay, huwag mo ko iwan dito.
Meow, 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 meow. Tatai si
Okay.
Advan. Come on, horsey. I have a gun. Peng, peng, peng. Tananan, tan, 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 tan. Laban! Bring it on. Ipupunta ko sa train para wala pa. Oh, shoot that. I am under this. My name is Under Dingus.
You go save some for me, bro.
Okay, go. Ano pa? Di pa nakakalimutan mo na yung pills mo.
I don't drink. Will you bring me?
Para.
Read ako.
Putok! Ay, wala pang bullets. Putok! Putok!
Oh, where are you going?
Ah, shoot! Putok!
Ay, ba?
Sa'yo yan, sa'yo yan.
Saan mo?
May espada kasi yan.
Oh, ba?
Putok!
Ang ganda ko. Ano ko ba amin?
Putok! Ow! Ay, panik ko kasi I'm gonna die. Doon tayo. We need the high ground. High ground, Ivan. We need the high ground.
I don't do it anymore.
High ground.
Stop in this spot.
Chichi Scott. Chichi scratching.
Wala siya. Huwag mo tayo! Huwag mo tayo kung kalabo si Aman.
Ikaw ah. Ikaw ah. You're saying false information. Second phase.
Mag-support access.
Second phase. Flirting phase. Ang lag, ang lag. Pag namatay ako, bakla si Ivan. Wala na si Ivan kasi I cannot control the cannons. I don't have the keys. How much is revive? Ay, wala. 3 Robux lang po. Par tanda.
Hindi na po ako tanda.
Feel the thunder. Our lightning. Before the thunder. Thunder. Oh, feel the thunder.
Let's put side. Let's put the back side.
Thunder. Feel the thunder. I was lightning. Before the thunder. Thunder. Yo, par, don't move. I can grab you. I don't know. Hindi pa nga tayo nasa 20. Namatay tayo sa 12. Shoot, 12. Paano sa mga matay?
Paano narinig ka? Paano narinig ka?
False
Are you
information.
grabbing the mic?
Nah, bro. You lying, bro.
What do you mean I'm lying?
Wait, my horse. Let my horse go. But you only gonna love. My horse. Ivan, get my horse.
Ulit. Ayan na.
Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. You're stuck, boy. Where did my saddle go? It's gone.
What the hell is this statue, bro? What's the statue?
Bago.
Baho ako. Ikaw nga ang pangay mo.
Kunin natin yung dead bodies ng third soldiers.
What was that noise? What was that noise?
Nothing.
What was that noise?
Must be the wind.
Did you hear a gunshot? Bro? Anong ginagawa mo?
Fuel.
What did you do?
This is Bob. This is Bob. He's gonna adventure with us. Yeah, baby. What is love, baby?
What is love? Baby,
I only have 99 para sa isang araw. Okay. Survive one night. Ayoko nga. Ivan. Ladies first. Galing mo. Give me the pop. Give me the pop. Give me the vase. Eh, wala na si Ivan. Oh, lore. Mayroong lore. Give me this.
We're eating now.
We need lore for our train. We gotta investigate.
Abraham Lincoln Queen John.
Okay. Bro, stop climbing me.
I was trying to put in the foot.
Lagyan natin na daming dead bodies sa likodan natin para makita natin pag maglalag ba o hindi. Must be the wind. Stage shift like.
Copyright.
Ayan, naka-video pa. Ano,
Bye, bye.
ano guys? Gara, nakalimutan ko, naka-video pa. May bombaklat. Iban kasi umutot. Par. Unicorn. Ivan. Ivan.
Ginahon.
Ivan kasi mamamatay ako. Pangit aim ko. Tatlong bullets na waste ko una sa second. Aim ko.
Hey, mahon.
Ganda ng ganda ng pang aim ko par. So tough.
Band-aid.
Sa
Eat the band-aid.
Did I eat the band-aid? Yes. Did I eat the band-aid? Yes.
My horse ate the band-aid.
Because he's white, na your horse absorbed the band-aid. Ayun yung ginawa niya. Puti kasi siya.
I mean,
Don't let bro get bored.
what do you do with the ladder?
Climb. I don't like the woods. There's a church! Mag-pray tayo. Simbang gabi. Bakit? Ay, nalala ko dati.
Punta. Meron tayo mga ano, kumbaga ba yung mga zombie.
Wala na, si Ivan. Ayaw magsimba. Ayaw Monday naman. Entering the desert. The desert.
Okay, guess what? Almost your birthday. But you only refer to
Ikaw nga rin eh.
Come on, 12.
Wala ang...
You're old. You're like 14.
Hindi nga. Hindi 14 eh. Sa mukha ako 14. Gara. 14 agad. Nag-skip ng isa. Para let's go. Let's go.
Come on, guys.
Ivan. Ayoko na.
Oo. Wala na rin, wala nga rin akong bullet. Pero meron pa rin.
Meron ako,
Para sa...
99
revolver ko.
Nights in the Forest. Nights in the Forest. Headshot. Jackpot.
Wala na akong bala. Meron pa rin bullet sa ano, cartridge. Bakit ganun?
Kawawang cowboy.
Kawawang cowboy. Mapagiro ang balak.
May balakubak. May... Ang ganda pa rin mo, Bar.
Kumayo ko lang pa.
In a way, bro, has a toy gun. Nerf gun. Bro has a Nerf gun. Ha?
Bro.
Wala. Ano yan? Abot.
Walang guys. Kumunod sa aman di ako. Yung boss fight. Kumunod sa aman sa yung boss fight. Ang kawawang tae.
Doon na ako, Ivan. Kasama ko yung mga patay na pare. Uy, wait lang, time first. Nagre-reload.
Wala kang spirito.
Anong masarap na spirito?
Sabi ko mawalang.
Ah,
Hindi.
kalawang.
Ano, laban? Sige, ano, Jay? Ano, Jay?
Laban? Sige. Ano, laban? Sige.
Ano, laban? Ano, tara? Laban, ano, tara?
Tara.
Ano ba ba?
Ay, Ban.
Oo nga. Oo nga. Lang, inaatake ako ng mga ano.
Baka may crush sa'yo.
Holy water. Ay, man.
Baka may crush sa'yo, par. Baka may crush. Ginugusto ka.
Oh, goals typing shenanigans.
Mamamatay na ako. Pangit yung hospital, gara. Daming zombie.
Saan ka? Wala na akong fuel.
Ayun yung mga patients. Ba't nandito yung mayor? Uy, di ko na kaya to. May mayor pa.
Oh, boy. Gusto naman the whole girl.
Ay, mamamatay na ako. This is the end. Ay, wait, I forgot. I have a horse. Go!
Kaya yung voice ko, no?
Kainin mo horse mo.
Bawa. Saan ka?
Nasa base.
Wala niyo yung mayor.
Nasa akin yung mayor. Angas, right? Angas. Nandito yung mayor sa... Nasa buntot ko yung mayor.
Ba't palagi may werewolf sa base, ha? Ba't palagi may werewolf sa base? Ano to? Ano to?
Sino ka? Ivan, sino ka? Mamatay na ako. Ay, no, no, no. Ay, werewolf? Saan?
Ayun, no?
Hindi ko nakikita. Bro, I cannot. Get in, kumala! Run! Ako ay isang kalpo. Nagliligo sa ihis.
Ano ba?
Open Gemini.
Ay, bulupit. Dito ako.
Oh, we got your
Ay,
son.
bumaba.
We got your son. Pay us $1,000 to kidnap your son. I don't know. Ay ba, lapit ka nga.
Ay! 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 Ano ba?
Bye-bye. Aalis na ako. Bye-bye. Wala akong nakita, pre. Pag namatay ka, hindi ka...
Tao? Tingnan mo ang bahay mo. Pangit mo. Tao.
Ay, bad bloody moon. Bloody moon, ay bad bloody moon.
Paano ko?
Ay, ban kasi. Wala pa akong bala. Palibre pa. Palibre ng bala pa. Palibre ng bala pa.
Wala na akong bala ko.
Palibre. Palibre ng bala.
Ito kabayo, gusto mo? Kabayo, walang paa.
Pinatayong ka ba?
So, kailangan, ano?
Ano, tara? Laban, ano, tara?
Buti nga galing ko.
Itong unggoy. Weirdest question wala akong nakikita pa. Anong nilalaban mo?
Wala mamatay ka.
Ay, ba't kasi?
Nabutin ko yung horse bro. Ay, ito. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na maglaro. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na guys. Ayoko na. Ayoko na.
Ano nga sasabihin ko?
We forgot his punchline.
Okay guys, ayaw na ng ka-friend ko, so like and subscribe. Like and subscribe and
Ayoko.
ito siya. We made the wrong person famous. Okay, so like and subscribe and wag ka. Like and subscribe and ano ngayon, and peace out.